Hey, what's up? So in this video, we're gonna talk about this Dyson V7 vacuum right here. It's been pretty amazing for us. We bought it about 3 years ago when we got married, and we've used it all over the house, and it's been one of the best investments we've made. So now it's 3 years later, and we need to go ahead and replace the battery because I guess because the amount of times you use it and how long, it just kind of wears out and dies. So about a year ago, it started really wearing out, and I figured once it dies out, we'll replace the battery. So we got this battery off of Amazon right here. Can't remember, a couple bucks, 20, 30, something like that. And maybe even less. And apparently it should last longer. So we should see. And we're gonna do a quick replacement in just a minute or two. All right, pull the top off. Push this red button, slip that off. Push the red button on the bottom. And then push that off as well. Once you've taken these two items off, you're gonna go ahead and take a look at the two screws right here. 1, 2, and then there's one back here. So there's 3 screws. Go ahead and take those screws off. Be sure to use a Phillips screwdriver that is much smaller than your typical, since these screws have a small head, not your typical maybe like drywall screw, of course. Something bigger, something smaller, because they're not as big. And then do this one back here. All right, 3 screws. Slip the old battery off, and then this battery right here, off of Amazon. Apparently it should do really good, so that's all you do, just slip it back on. Take the 2 black screws, fit them right there. This one as well. Hit the hole. Grab the last screw, which is the one that's silver on the head. Tighten it with this to not strip it. Alright. We're gonna slip this on. These prongs will go into that right there. Turn it around, it's easier this way. Just kind of slip it on. Keep this flap open, that's important. Just sliding this on. Done. It's perfect. Works just fine. Let's go ahead and charge it now.